This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy.macklin. Adorable house. Great location, hardwood floors and wood laminate downstairs, all new carpet upstairs. Cozy family room with fireplace, easy access to the backyard. Great outdoor space with a newer deck and fenced-in yard. Newer roof 2014, replacement windows and newer patio doors. Come check it out, it may be exactly what you're looking for. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy.macklin at 757-873-6900.